Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Global Edge. As you know that Global Edge is a part of a Capgemini and Global Edge is hiring freshers for software analyst. Your year of passing should be either 2021 or 2020. Your degree should be either BE or BTech or MTech or BCA or BSc or diploma. And if you have done either BTech or BSc, then all branches are eligible and you should have at least 60% in your graduation. So how to apply, what is the exam pattern, what is the selection process, what is the salary, everything I'll discuss in this video. But before that, let me tell you very important thing. If you want to work in big MNC, then Relevel is providing big opportunity. Relevel is the India's first hiring test platform where job seekers can get access to the India's finest companies, and they also ensure that minimum package of 4 LPA for non-tech roles and 6 LPA for tech roles. People are getting packages up to 15 LPA as well, and there is no age or experience limit for eligibility. If you are 18 plus or 40 years age, you can attempt the re-level test, and you can get 50% plus hike on your next job in the best product based companies. And what you need to do, you just need to write only one exam, and based on only that exam, if you will score more than 70% on in that exam, then you will have chance to get interview in big MNCs. And if you will perform well in those interviews, then you will have chance to work in those MNCs for as a full-time role. So how to apply, here you can see, just you need to click here get hired. And before that, when you'll click, I'll provide link in the description. When you'll click on that link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to click here get hired. When you'll click get hired, then here you can choose your dream job in which core branch you want to work. Like if you want to work in business development, then you need to write business development test. If you want to work in front end development, then you can select that. And if you want to become back end developer, then you need to select that. Like suppose I'm clicking here select backend developer. Here you need to book your free slot. Then click here book slot, free book slot. Here enter your mobile number, and after that you will receive your OTP. Then you will need to choose your you will need to choose your slot, okay, based on your availability. Now here you can see, and there are a lot of trusted companies. These are the trusted companies which are hiring through Relevel. So you just need to write only one exam, and you will get access to all these companies. If you want to work in these companies, just take the Relevel exam today. Okay, here you can see there are lot of options. Now one more thing, here you can see Relevel achievers. Here you can see they are the Relevel achievers. Okay, so now let's come back to our topic. Now there are three opportunities. First one is for BE or BTech candidates. Here you can see everything. Role is software analyst, and you can see yours. You should have at least good attitude, sound good knowledge of analytical skills. You should have strong programming knowledge. Okay, like this, and your salary will be 3.8 LPA after 6 months training. And for this is for BE or BTech candidates. Okay, and here there are four selection process. There will be four rounds. First round will be online test. This test will include aptitude and reasoning test. Okay, and second round will be C programming. You will need to write a code in this C programming language. And next round, if you'll qualify these two rounds, then you will get technical interview. If you will perform well in the technical interview, then you will have HR discussion. And all these three rounds are elimination round, and HR discussion is just formality round. Here how to apply, just you need to click here enter your email ID, then click here verify OTP. When you will verify your OTP, then you will able to edit this detail. Like where, and for now I am not able to edit this detail because I need to verify these details. Okay, verify my email ID. So after that you need to click all the details. Here you can choose your year of passing, either 2021 or 2020. Here after that fill all the details, then click here submit. Similarly you have to select for this opportunity for MTech. And here for the MTech you will get package from 5 to 6 LPA. Here you can see there are three rounds. First one is online test, second one is technical interview, third round is HR discussion. And for MTech candidates, there is no C programming round. Okay, and how to apply? There is this same process. Similarly, you can choose for BCA, BSc, and diploma round, diploma candidates. And for diploma candidates, uh, there will be training of 6 months. Okay, 6 months with 10K stipend, and CTC will be 2.75 LPA plus 25K on joining bonus. Okay, this is one time, and this is for annual income. After that, you can see there are only one round, three rounds. First one is online test, second one is technical interview, third round is discussion round. And for these candidates, there will not be any coding round, and job location will be Bangalore. For this also, job location will be Bangalore, and for BE and BTech candidates also, job location will be Bangalore. Okay, and they didn't mention here. Okay, but job location will be Bangalore. So these are the updates from my side, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.